This poem is called When We Had Little. When we had little, I learned how to take flour and water and then add oil to make tortillas in that brown glazed bowl, the one from my pottery class when I dizzily formed clay for days. Egg to make spring roll wraps stuffed with bowling ball cabbage, which never fits in the vegetable drawer. Butter to make pie crust on Thanksgiving from that Cinderella pumpkin growing accidentally in the garden. Soda to make angel light biscuits, whiter than air, with a recipe from that traveling truck show. Milk to make white sauce for that seafood pasta casserole without the seafood. Coriander to make manna cakes out of air and whimsy when there's nothing else. Sustenance from nothing blossoms to bread. With only a bowl, I can accomplish anything.